We're talking about something. Obviously, we don't want it to be morbid. It's really about celebration of life.
Yeah.
Since it's a Friday, have you ever cheated death?
I
have like 4 times.
Death. Hey, kaningi. La ngumya khona hey. Hey, bazakuthelele plate. Bathi idlala. Uthi lo muntu othi idlala ujulukile yena uthangeke. Umbuzo wangi idla ngithanda ukukhuluma idla. Ngiyakhuluma namhlanje nabo bhuti babo idla sibona. Wangisuthi. How so suthi? Yebo umlomo mbashe kanje. Idla. 1 ngacheat death lapho. 2 bengihlale Roman email yami yangena ngibambile. Yeah. Yathi sikhumbuzo ngathi yazi ngenzani beyikhala ngibambe ngiphethe lo bone nami ngakhala. Yathi ngibhenga baby sorry. Baby sorry mapona. 2 Hey dad hey ngiphumile intweni. Mina daddy unokubheka ukufa kanje ngithi angeke. Uva nje yazi umjolo ukufa nje umjolo uthi uchecka kuphuma bakhona and then lo baba ubuye ejele and uhlele stand rooms and then wavela waneka into zakho nje la ubani baba mina ngisonta naye niyasonta thandaza gcina ukuthandaza mina uzozwala mina baba uNkulunkulu umdala nomhlaba singane zakho sengizoshona baba naligedlela liyabile kitchen mama khona wale sigedlela libila bafuna ukuthi alibile lithi libila la wena baba sezizofa sikudala uNkulunkulu sibonga yonke into siphe yona njengoba ngifa baba ngina 12,000 emotweni ngona ngibabhadala ithi amen usinike something man